Dr. Jekyll and Mr Hyde by Robert Louis Stevenson, a vocabulary boost for GCSE. Acquiesce, to agree. Apocryphal, a story or statement of dubious authenticity. Blasphemous, sacrilegious against God or sacred things, profane. Belligerence, a warlike or aggressively hostile nature, condition, or attitude. Dehumanisation, the process of depriving a person or group of positive human qualities. Delirium, a usually brief state of excitement and mental confusion. Depravity, moral corruption or wickedness. Disquietude, a state of uneasiness or anxiety. Diffident, lacking confidence in one's own ability, worth or fitness, timid, shy. Duality, the quality or condition of being dual. Duplicity, deceptiveness. Exorbitant, and this is prices or demands that are much too large. Incipient, beginning to happen or develop. Inimical, tending to obstruct or harm, unfriendly or hostile. Iniquity, a system gross injustice, wickedness, violation of right or duty, wicked act, sin. Ebullient, zestfully enthusiastic. Malefactor, a person who commits a crime or some other wrong. Multifarious, many of various types. Obsequious, attempting to win by favour, flattery. Sedulously, a person or action showing dedication and diligence. Turpitude, a corrupt or depraved or degenerate act or practice. Premonitory, being warned in advance. Nature versus supernatural. Now this is a conflict of opposites, which is a major theme of the novel. And other themes are reputation, secrecy, and repression. Another conflict being science versus reason and the supernatural. Savagery, the quality of being fierce or cruel. Truculent, eager or quick to argue or fight, aggressively defiant. Unmanning, deprived of qualities traditionally associated with men, such as self-control or courage. Sentence starters. The author uses the dramatic device of. An example to show is. Duality is explored when. The language is used to imply, and this evokes or creates feelings of. And Stevenson's choice of imagery. Good luck!